Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, the 7th, and our I can statement is the same as what we were working on yesterday, where it says, I can use what I know about transformations to relocate and reorient a piecewise defined function. So we are continuing our work with lesson 2.2.5. Today, you need to review your team roles and assign each member of your team a role. If you only have 3 people, you can either share the last role or one person can pick up 2 roles. Okay, if you have 5 people in your group, 2 people will have to share a role. But everyone in your group should have a role and all the roles should be filled. Remember that I gave you the opportunity yesterday to reach out to your team. So you had a whole day to find a time that would work for all of you. So I expect your entire group to be working together. You're going to start by working through these shared Google Slides on problem 2-156. Each team member needs to complete a slide, and all the slides need to be completed. Then you will have a Google form for 2-157 and 2-158. You should complete this as a team, but each of you will have your own individual form. Now, when it comes to turning in the assignments, one teammate needs to attach the slides. Do not press turn in. So it'll show up as missing on your dashboard, but that's okay, because if you turn it in, then your partners will not be able to work on it or make any adjustments later as needed. So one teammate will attach the slides. Make sure your name is on the slide that you completed. If your name is not on the slide, I cannot give you credit. And then lastly, all of you will turn in your own Google form. Here are our team roles. Take a second to pause or to go and look at the screen in our slides here. Again, you will fill in the name for each of the team roles. And then I want to talk a little bit about our directions. So today you're going to be given a e-tool. This is a link right here. So use that link to show the graph that we're going to be working with. It's the same one that we had in 2-155 yesterday. And you are going to be looking at creating a table or completing the table that I've already given you and making a graph on Desmos. There are 4 different transformations that you'll complete, so 1 for each team member. And again, if you have 5, 2 of you can do the 1 together. To be successful with this, start by filling in the table. And then on the Desmos e-tool, you will have to plot points, and you'll take those points from your table. Once you've correctly plotted the new points, they will automatically connect. So if your dots aren't connecting, that means something's incorrect. Once you have the dots connected, screenshot it and add it to your slide. And again, there are 4 different transformations. So if you use the slider on line 5 of the Desmos tool, you can access each transformation. So like the first one pops up, if you slide over, the second one will pop up and so forth. And they have it set up already to where whenever you have the dots in the right place, they will connect. I'm going to give you an example of this on my screen to show you what I expect. And then again, that slide will be below for you, so you have more of a solid concrete picture to look at. So stay tuned for this example video.